Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Frugal FashionNhista here, back with more things frugal, fashion, fitness, lifestyle. I don't remember what it is anymore. All things lifestyle. Anyways, so happy New Year. You guys will probably get this after New Year, so I hope you guys enjoyed your New Year. So today what we're gonna do is I'm gonna talk about my New Year's look. I haven't quite figured out my outfit yet, but I do know that I'm gonna be wearing furls. So I bet you're wondering, what is furls? Right, they are fake curls. So is it a wig? No. Basically I will be manipulating my hair to get the fake curls look. There's no product involved, so I will not be putting anything in my hair, but today I'm gonna do it a little differently, so hopefully it works out. Usually I wash my hair and then I put in Flexi rods and then I sleep uncomfortably, not comfortably because it's uncomfortably for 8 hours or so, and then I wake up and I take it out, and then I hope there's like a couple on the bottom that don't fall out, which they usually do. So I'm trying a new method today. I'm going to be using the Bonnet is the word, the Bonnet hooded dryer, and then see how it goes from there. So stay tuned. So I'm back. So I went to go take a shower, I washed my hair, and now I'm ready to start the process. So this is what I would do if I were to sleep with it in anyway. So I'm gonna start that process, and I'm just using the top of like the camera screen as like my mirror. So if I'm not looking directly in your eyeballs, just know it's for good reason. My hair is like super tangled always. I don't have like the nice super straight Asian hair that most people have, but that's also a blessing because I can like manipulate my hair into like any type of like wave pattern that I want, and then my curls actually stay instead of falling very easily. So like that's the one good thing about not having super sleeky straight Asian hair. So I'm not sure if this is going to work out the way I plan, but then that's another thing about having Asian hair, is that like I can just brush it out and then straighten it and call it a day. So like here, so like now it's basically straightened if I just don't do anything else with it and just let it air dry. So basically I'm just going to part my hair, which I did as I was brushing or combing it, and then I'm just gonna clip it up one side so then it doesn't like get in the way. Yeah, something similar to that. So I have a whole bunch of Flexi rods. I just got these ones from Amazon, and then I also have a whole bunch of other ones. I believe I got it from like Walmart and like Sally Hansen. So my favorite ones are actually like the little tight ones, these ones, because the curls are tighter, and when you brush it out it doesn't like fall apart. So what I do is I grab a chunk of hair. I personally don't really pick a size. I'm like, okay, this is some hair, and then I wrap it around, wrap, and then I fold, and then it stays. So that is one. do. So this is the finished product of me putting in the flexi rods. Like, that's just that part. So I put it in pretty much anywhere. So here you go. Let me take a little spin for you. And there it is. So now I'm gonna, usually I sleep with this. Can you imagine how uncomfortable, my bad y'all, let me, can you imagine how uncomfortable it is to sleep with this? Like, I was like, basically I would not try to let my like head or like the flexi rods hit the pillow. I would try to like make a little like, I don't know, a O out of a towel to like put the rest of my head on. It was really uncomfortable, so I'm really hoping that this method works. So that way I do not have to go through that uncomfortableness again. I'm hoping that it works within the next hour and a half because I have to get ready to go. So yeah, so I got this bonnet hood right here. So from my understanding, you're supposed to put this over your head. There's also a chin strap of some sort. So yeah, you're supposed to put this over your head. And then with this little trunk thing, I'm supposed to put my hair dryer, my blow dryer in it. Almost dropped it. And turn it on a low heat.
Two hours later.
I gave it about 2 hours. And I did a little bit of air drying as well. Still with the bonnet on, because I had to eat. So we're gonna see how this goes. I hope it goes well because you know, I got time for it not going well. Okay, so okay, so the hair feels dry actually. I'm surprised. I used it on low heat. I tried to up the heat to high heat, but my head was burning, so it was like on fire, I swear. So I decided to keep it on low heat, and now I'm about to unravel it and see how it goes. But my hair does feel dry. And I got to catch up on some Netflix shows while I was at it. So hopefully this is a win-win situation. I don't even know where to start. Oh. Okay, here's the first curl. This one didn't quite turn out the way I planned. So this is like the end curl. However, I just like brush it out a little bit and then to make it into the curl style that I like. Hi guys, sorry about that. So my battery died, so I had to grab my camera, my other camera, aka my iPhone, to film the rest of this video for you. While that was happening, I just basically combed out or brushed out or whatever, fingered out, I don't know, these curls to like make it so there's more volume to it. So yeah. If you want to fake the funk, if you want to fake the curls, this is one way that you can do it. So I always have like a couple strands. So like for example, this right here, that like doesn't curl all the way. And my theory is that, first of all, it's not dry all the way. But also my theory is that I might have taken too much hair and wrapped it around like one of these Flexi rods. So what I would do to fix that is I would wet it and then I would break this apart and like take it in two and then do it again, and then use the blow dryer to just apply heat right on it, and then I give it like a minute at most, and then I would take it out pretty much. But yeah, so these are my furls. And this usually lasts about, for me at least, I let it stay in for like a day or two, and then yeah, and then I wash and comb it out and hope that I don't lose too much hair. So like I mentioned, I redo some of the curls if it I guess falls and it isn't the curl I want. So here's me revealing it to you. So yeah, so these two are the curls that I just did over again, and yeah, so I think I achieved the curl that I wanted to by redoing it over, and now I'm just gonna pull it apart to give me the volume that I want. And ooh, let me put my hair down. And there you have it, furls for the girls. If you enjoyed what you saw and you would like to see more of it, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.